Well, entomology is the study of insects. So forensic entomology is the study of the insects associated with a dead body, with a view primarily to working out when that person died. And we can do many other things with insects as well as when, such as whether they've been moved or disturbed, where wound sites are, if they've been poisoned. In living victims, we can look at length of time of neglect and abuse in humans and in animals. And it's basically because insects will colonize a body very, very rapidly after death, usually within minutes or seconds, if the conditions are appropriate. So if, assuming it's summer or spring or fall and it's during the day and the body's exposed, insects are going to get there very, very quickly, and they'll lay eggs. And those eggs will hatch into maggots, and the maggots will feed on the body. And that the developmental stages and the age of those maggots will tell me how long the insects have been on the body. And as the body decomposes and gets much more towards skeletonization, you get a whole range of different species of insects that colonize the body over time. And that's a predictable sequence. So in the early days, you look at the insect development. And then once it's beyond about 3 or 4 weeks, we start looking at the sequence of insects, the different insects that colonize over time. And again, those both will give us a minimum time that the insects have been on the body, period of insects colonizing. And from that, we can infer the time of death. So basically, I'll say, well, there's been insects on the body for 7 days. So he's been dead for at least 7 days. Could be more, but not less.